Hi, welcome to a quick demonstration showing the abilities of our transcription robot. So maybe you are an interviewer and you have a lot of interviews you need to transcribe and summarize. Maybe you are a researcher and you have to sort of summarize some papers that have come your way. This robot does that. So what we're going to do, the robot's going to use a transcription from a Teams meeting. So Teams has an inbuilt transcription function. It's going to take that transcript, it's going to summarize it into a few key points so we can save our time and not worry about reading through it too much of it. So there's two options here. We can either put through a transcription, a Word document or like a text document, or we can do an audio recording. So maybe you recorded your meeting and it can transcribe that. But we're going to summarize transcription here. So we're going to take a bunch of text and reduce it down to a more readable format. So just hit the summarize transcription button. So just I'll say, pop it into chat and I'll summarize it for you. So here's one that I prepared earlier. So quite a lengthy bit of text there. So the robot's going to grab all that and going to go through it all for us. So write the name of an interviewer. So in this case, the interviewer was Steve, just so they can tell who's talking and who's doing which point. And it's going to process that for us. And what we get on the output is a sort of a much more concise bit of text that shows up the good points and the bad points of the session. So let's wait for that to pop up. It shouldn't take long, maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds, depending on the internet connection. So here we have it. So Brad worked at Bradney Agency before starting their business. So yeah, okay. So even does a nice little bit. So the interviewee had problem with the fan noise, so they asked to move. So it sort of goes through the whole bit of text and summarizes it. So we've got good points here. So randomly, the company's doing well, has a website. The improvement points of the company could be more organized, and the bad points of the company is not very well known. So it really goes through all those bits and pieces. So this is made to streamline your time. So instead of reading through all those big documents, summarize them out, put them into a nice concise bit of information, so you can save your time and do more important, interesting stuff. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much.